gathered this evening to participate in this event of the candle vigil, which is being held for the people which have been slaughtered, killed in Burma, for those innocent young children, women and vulnerable people. Ladies and gentlemen, I would now like to request Shiraz to say a few words on this matter. Shiraz, please.
I start with the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. My name is Shiraz Khan and I am President of Pakistan International Human Rights Organization, UK. On behalf of Shahzada Hayat Sahab and my organization, I much appreciate to all friends and colleagues who have gathered today to show the solidarity with the Rohingya Muslim. Worst atrocity and genocide going on, ethnic cleansing in Myanmar with the Rohingya Muslims. It is so sad that Aung San Suu Kyi, who holds the Nobel Prize for the Nobel Peace, her country is in flames with the ethnic cleansing. When I was listening the ambassador of Canada to United Nations, what he was saying, that Canada gave a citizenship, honorary citizenship to Aung San Suu Kyi. And he was saying that we are signing a petition to ask the United Nations to remove her Nobel Prize, and we are signing a petition asking and demanding if we can get Kosovo Muslims free through surgical strike, why can't we do it in Rohingya? 2 million people are suffering. And why we are gathered today? Because we live in Great Britain, United Kingdom, a democratic country which listens, allows us to raise our voice peacefully and diplomatically. This is a great country to ask our honorable members of parliament to get engaged and play their role and voice for the Rohingya Muslims. One side, there is set up mines. When they're crossing the border to Bangladesh, they've been killed. BBC, Sky News, CNN, Al Jazeera, you name it, all the Western media is focusing because of the demonstration which took place in London on the 10th of September here in UK. And here outside the Myanmar embassy and outside here 10 Downing Street. That was the successful demonstration. Brothers and sisters, fellow human beings, it's not only a problem for the Muslims, it's a problem of a human being. Anybody who has a conscience, we want to raise his voice right now for the Rohingya ethnic cleansing by Myanmar authority. May live long humanity, may live long United Kingdom, may live long all the activists who work tirelessly for human rights, including my own organization, Pakistan International. And I congratulate and much appreciate to all those organizers, Barrister Shahzada Hayat, a very much powerful voice in London here. We are so lucky that he has good connections with peers, member of parliaments, community leaders and all the other organizations. We are asking not anymore, we are demanding that Rohingyan Muslims should be granted a full citizenship right in Rohingya. We are demanding the United Nations and our government, United Kingdom, to intervene and stop the aid and access to train Myanmar army and giving access to the Myanmar authorities unless and until they stop genocide against the Muslims. Brothers and sisters, we would love if our Pakistani media will also focus on this core issue of Myanmar Muslims. Thank you very much.